Welcome back to Seagull International weekly live session where we discuss exciting recruitment opportunities and overseas placement. Hi, this is Jyoti Das Thakkar, AGM at Seagull International, and I am thrilled to be joined by Mr. Dinesh Vishwakarma, our operation manager. So, before we dive into today's recruitment opportunity, let's take a moment to revisit Seagull's incredible success stories. For 40 years, Seagull has been a trusted name in overseas recruitment industry. Seagull is a global recognized human resource consultant delivering end-to-end manpower recruitment solutions since 1985. So Seagull is an ISO certified human resource consultant where its headquarters is in Mumbai. We also have our branches in Pan India. So which ensures this all recruitment process strictly complying with international and statutory policies. So as I mentioned, we have our branches in Pan India. We also have our international presence. So our branches is in Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, Lithuania, and UK. So, candidate who go through our recruitment opportunities and if they want to apply for any job, so we have our newly job portal which is seagalljobsforyou.com. You can either scan this QR code on your screen, you will visit our portal and you can apply for the jobs you have saw. So, candidates who are interested to connect with us on our social media platform, which is Facebook, the process is very simple. Just simply scan the QR code on your screen and stay connected with us on Facebook. So our official Telegram page is on your screen. So through regular job posting, we have make a strong community. So we always recommend candidates to connect with us directly. So hence these social media pages always give us a very fruitful result. So candidate who are interested to stay connected with us, there are a number of options. So if you want to connect with us on Telegram, the QR code on your screen. Through Instagram, we showcase our recruitment opportunities, activities, projects, and success stories on this platform. If you want to connect with us on Instagram, you just simply scan the QR code on your screen and stay connected with us. Seagull Staffing Group is an exclusive community where we only recruit for domestics. So, candidates who are interested to work in Pan India, this is the right platform for you. Simply scan the QR code on your screen and stay connected with us for the domestic recruitment opportunities. So let's dive into our first requirement, which is for Abu Dhabi for an oil and gas, civil construction, and maintenance project. So we're having this interview shortly, and we have proposed locations, which is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, and Kolkata. So this will be our interview location. So candidate who are interested, you can reach out to our branches. So we are looking for masons, shuttering carpenters, steel fixers, scaffolders, and helper. So there will be a salary bracket of 1100 to 1300 for 8 hours, free food, accommodations, and overtime. Interested candidate can connect with us directly. You can also reach out to the email address mentioned below, seagullua2026 @gmail.com. Next is for Qatar for oil and gas project. This will be a virtual interview. We are hiring for project manager. We are hiring for senior PNM inspector, design engineer, civil mechanic ANI. We are also hiring for planning engineer, security manager, PCOM. So candidate who are interested, they can submit their profile at seagullqatar2026 @gmail.com. So next is for Abu Dhabi for an oil and gas offshore project. This will be a virtual interview, uh, and this is a free requirement. We are hiring for pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, scaffolders, riggers, multi welders. So candidate who are interested can apply for this job. There is a package details is on your screen again. So next is for Seagull for a oil and gas construction project, and we are hiring for trainee technicians, candidate who are graduate, diploma, ITI, or even 12th standard with fresher or experienced male, female, open for both. They can apply for this job. There is a project in Mundra in Gujarat, and we are looking for a larger number. So a package details is on your screen. Candidate who are 12th pass will get 16,130. Candidate who are ITI and graduate will get 17,030. Overall 17,000. And candidate who are diploma will get higher salary, which is 18,500. Apart from this, candidate will get food accommodation, transportation, in the subsidiary form will be food, and rest will be provided by the company. So candidate who are interested, they can submit their resume. You can scan the QR code on the screen and you can apply for this. Next is for Qatar for an oil and gas construction project. We are hiring for international company, and this will be a virtual interview. There will be a recruitment for senior construction supervisor, piping, mechanical foreman, rigger cum scaffolders, mechanical fabricator, piping and structural. So these are the positions we are hiring for. Candidate should have GCC experience in oil and gas construction project, whereas they should will get free food and accommodation. So interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullch.qatar@gmail.com. Next is for Qatar oil and gas construction project hiring for an international company. This is exactly the same requirement, but candidate who are in Mumbai, they can submit or they can just walk into our head office. We will review your profile. If it is relevant, we'll update you about the online interview date. Next is for Bahrain for a contracting manufacturing company. This will be a virtual interview. We are hiring for estimation engineer, mechanic, project control, cost control engineer, or manager. So a short description is on your screen against each positions. If this matches with your current job role, you can either walk into our branches or else you can submit at Seagull Bahrain 2026 @gmail.com. Next is for Qatar for a oil and gas petrochemical maintenance project. This will be a client interview on 10th March, Kochi office, and this will be a free requirement. Candidate we are hiring for electrical technician, mechanical technician, lead rotating equipment technicians, HVAC supervisor, HVAC lead technicians. So candidate with a technical diploma in respective trade, they can submit their profile at seagullkochi@gmail.com. Similar position, and there will be a client interview on 6th March in Mumbai. So you can walk into our office or else you can submit your resume at resume1@seagullhr.com. Company, similar positions, and we're having an interview on 1st March in Chennai. Candidate who are interested, they can walk into our branch with their updated resume, or else you can submit your resume at seagull.ch.qatar@gmail.com. So Saudi Arabia's okay. So this will be for a healthcare division in Saudi Arabia, and this will be a virtual interview. So we are hiring for senior sous chef, junior sous chef pastry. There is also for a hot and pastry department. So chef de pate, commie hot kitchen, commie cold kitchen, and commie these are the positions. Interested candidate can submit their profile at resume1@seagulhr.com. Next is for Saudi Arabia. This will be a recruitment free for a leading company in Middle East. They are looking for a real estate marketing. So they need a marketing specialist female. Uh, so if you have worked in social media marketing earlier, preferable in real estate. So you can also apply for this position. We have mentioned a short description for your quick reference. So you can reach out to us at seagullksa2025@gmail.com. And if you are in Mumbai, you can visit our office. Next is for Abu Dhabi Oil and Gas project free requirement. There will be a client interview and we are hiring for civil planners. A short description is on your screen. So interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullkochi@gmail.com. Saudi Arabia, they are looking for a facility management company and they are looking for something which is very immediate departure. So there will be a walk-in interview on 19th and 20th, basically, at Delhi office. So we are hiring for electrical supervisor, civil supervisor, safety officers, pump technicians, and chiller technicians. So there is an ongoing interview going on in Delhi right now also. So if you're near to Delhi or if you want to apply, you can just submit your resume or else you can walk into our Delhi branch. Next is for Qatar. This will be a free requirement for a long term for a contracting company hiring for LNG refinery project. They are hiring for virtually right now. So the positions are turnaround area planner, quantity surveyor, coating mechanic. They're also hiring for electrical technicians, pipe fabricator, instrument fitter, assistant fabricator, fabricator helper, applicant with 5 years of experience in refineries, oil and gas, petrochemical can apply for these positions. And you can walk into our office in Mumbai. And if you want to apply online, you can submit your resume at seagullqatar2026@gmail.com. Next is for Qatar, a leading international company hiring for their offshore project. This will be a free requirement and this will be a virtual interview. So we are hiring for HSC officer, electricians, rigger, pipe fitter, commissioning technical. Candidate should have offshore experience and ready to clean shave before departures. This is a basic criteria, hence we have mentioned it. Electrician should have experience in gliding and terminations of cable. So these are the positions we are hiring for. If you want to apply, you can submit your resume at seagullqatar2026@gmail.com. Next is for Saudi Arabia for a stainless steel seamless pipe production plant. This will be a long-term requirement, and we having this client interview. This will be a basically a virtual interview. So we are hiring for senior engineer process, senior engineer product. So there is a research and development segment, and they are hiring for these positions. A short description is on your screen along with all the benefits what client is offering. So if you're in Mumbai, you can just visit with your updated profile, or else if you are in want to attend virtually, so you can submit your resume at seagullksa2026@gmail.com. Next is for Qatar long-term oil and gas contracting company. This will be for their long-term project. Uh, this is an online interview. We are hiring for foreman painting, superintendent positions, supervisor positions like mechanical, piping, rigging, safety. They are also hiring for engineering, planning engineers, piping, planning engineers, structural and mechanic. So candidate who are interested, they can submit their profile at jobs dot it will be job dot seagalinternational@gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi. This will also be a virtual interview for sales officers, purchase officer, appointed person offshore, and scaffolders CISR certified. So, candidate who are interested, they can submit these profiles at resume1@seagull.com. And if you are near to Mumbai, you can just visit with your updated profile. Next is for Oman for a oil and gas pipeline project. This will again a free requirement. We are hiring this virtually. So candidate like so we are hiring for cost engineer, estimation engineer, QA QC engineer, mechanic, QC inspector, mechanic, QC inspector, civil. So candidate should have degree diploma engineering with GCC experience and pipeline flow line. They can apply for this job. If you are in Chennai, you can walk in with your updated profile. And candidate who want to apply virtually, they can submit their profile at resume seagullch.oman@gmail.com. We are also hiring for Abu Dhabi for an oil and gas project. This will be a virtual interview, and we are also hiring this for free. We are hiring for a sales officer. The salary will be up to 7,000 AD with food accommodation and transport. We are looking for candidate who have diploma or BE mechanical, which is a preferred stream. Candidate with 2 or 3 years of experience in sales with UAE or GCC experience will add an advantage. If they also have a UAE driving license, that will an added advantage. So candidate can submit their profile at resume1@seagullhr.com. Okay, so next is for Abu Dhabi for a international company into oil and gas. This is again a virtual interview. We are hiring for purchase officers, purchaser, sales officer, oil and gas. So purchase officer, they have a salary bracket of 5,500 to 7,500 AED. And for sales officer, they are hiring for 6,500 to 7,000 AED. A short description is on your screen. If that is matches with your current job role, you can submit your resume at resume1@seagullhr.com. So the last one is for Qatar. This will be for an oil and gas construction project. This is again a free requirement. We are hiring this virtually. So we are hiring for site coordinator, experience in scaffoldings, refractory, painting, and insulation. We are hiring for some scaffolder inspector, supervisor, foreman. We are also hiring for QC inspector, painting, coating, and insulation. We are also hiring for painting foreman, boom truck operator with Qatar license. So these are few positions I have read. Remaining position you can see online. If you want to apply, you can submit your resume at seagullch.qatar@gmail.com. And if you are near to Chennai, just walk in with your updated profile. So the next one is for Abu Dhabi. This will be for a NPCC, formerly NPCC. This will be a free requirement for a oil and gas offshore construction project. We are hiring for superintendent into fabrications, welding, rigging, scaffolding, and painting, and similar position into supervisor, foreman, sergeant, They are also hiring for job performer, mechanical or civil. They are also hiring for PTW, holder mechanical, civil, electrical. So these are few position I have read. The preferences, qualification, and the salary descriptions along with the company's benefit is on your screen. So if you want to apply, you can submit your resume at shoheb.malik@seagulhr. You can also submit your resume at mohammed.nadim@seagulhr.com. So similar position and the client interview will be on 5th March. And if you wish to apply, you can directly walk into the interview site or else you can submit your resume at seagullci.ua@gmail.com. That's it from my side. We have additional set of requirement which Mr. Dinesh will update you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, everyone. My name is Dinesh. I'm working as a system manager operation in Seagull. So, can we start our slide? Okay, so we have a requirement for Qatar. Company name is QCon, as mentioned. A leading oil and gas company, large requirement. Client interview on 25th Feb at Vizag. And we are looking for CNC operator, EOT operator, fabricator, structural fabricator, foreman, CNC machine operator, foreman charge and piping, foreman charge and structural, grinder, helper, storekeeper, superintendent structure, superintendent welding, supervisor rigging and supervisor structural, supervisor welding, and technician and rolling machine operator. Whoever want to apply for this post, please visit to our Vizag branch, or you can call on this given contact number, or you can share your CV. Our technical team will check your CV, and definitely you will receive call from our side. Thank you. So next we have a new requirement for Qatar. It's free, totally free requirement, and virtual interview shortly. We'll let you know the timing and date shortly in the next session. And we are looking for instrument wall technician, instrument tube fitter, lead instrument technician, foreman, rigger, electrical technician, instrument technician. The requirements already mentioned on this screen, and you will get attractive salary, free food, accommodation, transportation, each and everything is free. And shortlisting is processed now. You can visit to our Mumbai branch, or you can share your CV on given contact number, or you can call, or better you can share your CV at seagullqatar2026@gmail.com. So next requirement for Kuwait, it's CV selection, and we are looking for sales executive, and salary and required numbers already mentioned on the screen. So 600 plus incentive, and second requirements for sales executive, packing and removal. 10 numbers we required. Salary is same 600 KD and incentive. So if you want to apply for this post, please visit to our Kochi branch, or you can share your CV, or you can call on this contact number. So on the requirement for Bahrain, it's urgent requirement, long-term project, virtual interview shortly. We'll let you know the date and timing. And we are looking for estimation engineer, mechanical, and project coordinator, cost control engineer, and manager. So if you want to apply for this particular post, please visit to our Mumbai branch, or you can share your CV at Seagull Bahrain 2026@gmail.com, or you can call on this given contact number. So next requirement for Kuwait only, it's virtual interview shortly, and we are looking for quality control inspector, 10 numbers, mechanical, and the JD and this education is all and each everything is mentioned on the screen, and you will get attractive salary, free food accommodation, transportation. Shortlisting process right now. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV Seagull Kuwait 2026@gmail.com. Next for UAE jobs, and it's long-term project, a leading EPC contracting company, client review on 1st March at राजीव एजेंसी इट्स गोपालगंज बिहार सो या यूएई के लिए जॉब है बहुत सारे रिक्वायरमेंट है इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियन चाहिए पाइप फैब्रिकेटर फिटर हाइड्रोजेटर फिटर पाइप फिटर स्प्रे पेंटर हाइड्रोजेटर टेक्नीशियन इंस्ट्रूमेंट टेक्नीशियन मेसन रिगर सैंड ब्लास्टर स्काफ होल्डर स्टील फिक्सर स्टील फिटर शटरिंग कारपेंटर टीएनआर वेल्डर चाहिए सीएसएसएस and GTW, SMAW, auto electrician, tarman, on auto mechanic, material handler, and storekeeper, drivers, light and heavy both, dumper driver, and water tank desire, and driver, bobcat operator, excavator operator, and crane operator, shower operator, हाइड्रो टेस्ट ऑपरेटर, सिविल हेल्पर, बहुत सारे रिक्वायरमेंट है। हमारा इंटरव्यू गोपालगंज में होने वाला है, बिहार में। तो बेटर है कि आप अपना सीवी दिए गए आईडी पे शेयर कर दीजिए, तो फिर फ़ोन कर दीजिए, हमारी टीम आपका हेल्प करेगी। तो आईडी दिया हुआ है हेमंत एंड महेश का। सो प्लीज़ आप सीवी आपका फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए। फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन तक सब कुछ प्रोवाइड बाय कंपनी से है। थैंक यू। So next requirement for UAE and client interview on 22nd Feb at our office. So we are looking, हमको इंडस्ट्रियल इलेक्ट्रिशियन चाहिए 100 नंबर्स, सैलरी मेंशन किया हुआ है 1300 से 2000 AED, एंड ENI फिटर चाहिए 70 नंबर्स, सैलरी भी मेंशन किया हुआ है इसका भी 1300 से 2000 AED के बीच में मिलेगा, एंड मीडियम वोल्टेज एंड फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स, फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सब कुछ प्रोवाइड है। शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग चालू है। प्लीज़ मुंबई ऑफिस में आके विजिट करिए, या तो आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए seagull2026@gmail.com पे। ओके, सो एक और नया रिक्वायरमेंट है ओमान के लिए, लीडिंग ऑयल एंड गैस कंपनी है। क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू होने वाला है शॉर्टली, हम आपको बताएंगे। और हमको चाहिए मैकेनिकल टेक्नीशियन, इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियन, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन टेक्नीशियन, 50 नंबर्स चाहिए हमको। सैलरी मेंशन किया हुआ है, एंड 3 इयर्स टेक्निकल डिप्लोमा चाहिए, एंड 7 to 10 इयर्स एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए आपको। और ये मुंबई का एड्रेस दिया हुआ, आप मुंबई ऑफिस में आ सकते हो आप, या तो फिर दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो। हेलो। सेकंड रिक्वायरमेंट है यूएई जॉब्स के लिए, सेम रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैंने अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही बताया था, बट इसका इंटरव्यू जो है वो 7 मार्च को होने वाला है, उड़ीसा भुवनेश्वर में होने वाला है। सेम इलेक्ट्रिशियन, फैब्रिकेटर, फिटर सब कुछ चाहिए। आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए और बाद में आराम से आप एक बार रिक्वायरमेंट चेक करके दिए गए नंबर पे आप सीवी या तो मेल आईडी पे आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो। फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सब कुछ है। Okay, so we have one requirement for Oman short-term project and immediate departure. Oil and gas company, client interview shortly. We'll let you know the date and timing. And we are looking for construction manager and lead QA/QC refractory, and supervisor refractory, HSC engineer, HSC officer, QA/QC engineer, API certified, and refractory engineer, planner, site admin, permit receiver, and generator, machine operator, EOT crane operator, rigger, welder, carpenter, electrician, mixer machine operator, and mechanical fitter। फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सब कुछ कंपनी से है। आपका सीवी आप फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए seagull2026@gmail.com पे, या तो फिर आप कॉल कर सकते हो। So we have another requirement for Europe jobs, and it's a long-term project. Croatia leading construction company, which will interview shortly. We are looking for site engineer 10 numbers and site foreman 10 numbers. JD and other details are mentioned on screen. And you will get attractive salary, free food accommodation, transportation. Shortlisting process right now. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or you can share a CV at seagull2026@gmail.com. So we have another requirement for Saudi Arabia, leading oil and gas contracting company. It's a totally free requirement, long-term project. We are looking for piping QC inspector, Aramco certified, certificate required, 20 numbers, and welding QC inspector, Aramco approval certified candidates required. We require 20 numbers. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or better you can share your CV at seagullks2025@gmail.com. So another requirement for Kuwait, and it's long-term requirement and large requirement, telephonic interview. And we are looking for precast supervisor, production storeyard, and fabricator foreman, fabrication preparation, and foreman storeyard, and foreman casting, foreman steel fixer, mason, welder, steel fixer, and preparation fitter, GI, and general helper. So please visit to our Mumbai office. or you can share your CV at seagullkuwait2025@gmail.com. So another requirement for Kuwait, and it's a long-term project. It's a CV selection and virtual interview, and we are looking for planning engineer with design experience, and AC technician, T boy, cam cleaner, toilet cleaner, heavy driver, and salary is mentioned for driver. And please visit to our office, or you can share your CV at seagullkuwait2026@gmail.com. So we have another requirement for Kuwait, and it's a virtual interview, long-term project, KOC pipeline project, and we are looking for safety officer 10 numbers. The experience you have to 5 to 6 years experience and oil and gas, and looking for education certificate. Rest details is mentioned on screen. Please visit to our Mumbai branch, or you can share your CV at seagullkuwait2026@gmail.com. So new requirement for Dubai, and it's a marine and shipyard building company, long term project, on an interview in process right now. और हमको स्ट्रक्चरल स्टील फिक्सर चाहिए एंड रोप एक्सेस टेक्नीशियन चाहिए, 10 नंबर्स एंड 15 नंबर्स. सैलरी ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया हुआ है. स्ट्रक्चरल फिटर का सैलरी मेंशन किया हुआ है 1800 से 2200, और रोप एक्सेस टेक्नीशियन का मेंशन किया हुआ है 1800 से 3000 तक. ये सैलरी का रेंज है. इसके बिटवीन आपको कुछ भी सैलरी मिल सकती है, डिपेंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन सब कुछ कंपनी से है. प्लीज ऑफिस में विजिट कीजिए बेटर इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए, या तो आप कॉल कर सकते हो. आप सीवी आपका शेयर कर सकते हो seagullua@2026gmail.com. So next for Kuwait jobs, client interview shortly. We'll let you know the date and timing. And it's a long-term project. We are looking for site construction manager and construction engineer, piping and construction engineer piping required, construction engineer tank and painting QC inspector, land surveyor and safety supervisor. Number is mentioned on our screen. Please visit to our Mumbai office, or better you can share your CV at seagullkuwait2026@gmail.com. So next is for UAE jobs. It's a long-term project. Urgent requirement. We are looking for welding foreman, 4 numbers. Piping fabricator, 8 numbers. Pipeline argon welder, 4 numbers. Pipeline TIG and arc welder, 15 numbers. All candidates must have experience in oil and gas pipeline project. Minimum experience 5 to 6 years. Must have Gulf experience. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation, transportation, each and everything you will get it by from company. And you can share your CV at seagullua2026@gmail.com, or you can call on this given contact number. So next is UAE jobs, and it's a urgent requirement, long-term projects, and client interview on 25th Feb at our Seagull Mumbai office in Mumbai. And we are looking for senior electrician. Salary is mentioned is 1800 to 2500. It's a salary range, and we require ECNR passport only. Shortlisting is processed right now. Better you can share your CV at seagullua2026@gmail.com, or you can call on this given contact number. We have multiple numbers. I think so 3 or 4 numbers. Please call on this given contact number. Okay, so we have another requirement. I think so already informed. The same company, same, only the interview date and timing is changed. 11th March at Andhra Pradesh, Vizag. So we are looking for electrician, same pipe fabricator, steel fixer, pipe fitter, spray painter, mason rigger, sandblaster, scaffolder. All trade is same. Only the location is changed. Better take a screenshot and you can share or check after live session finished. Once the live session is finished, or better you can visit our Vizag office, or you can share a CV at seagullvizagcvs@gmail.com. Thank you. Kamal Kishore, FLS engineering vacancy. Yes, Kamal, we have requirement for engineer post right now. Please share your CV. Our technical team will check your review your documents, and if you get shortlisted, then you will receive a call from our side. Mohammad Ashwit, senior piping engineer. Ashwit, we have requirement for piping engineer right now. I think so from UAE only. So better you can share your CV. If you get shortlisted, then you will receive a call from our side. Our technical team will check your CV, and you will receive a call from our side. उपेंद्र सिंह परमिट होल्डर. यस उपेंद्र जी, हमारे पास रिक्वायरमेंट है परमिट होल्डर्स का. आई थिंक सो यूएई के लिए ही रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो आपका सीवी आप फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए. अगर शॉर्टलिस्ट होंगे तो आपको फोन आ जाएगा हमारे ऑफिस से. Satyanarayan piping supervisor. Yes, Mr. Satyanarayan, we have requirement for piping supervisor. Just share your CV and you will receive a call once your CV gets shortlisted. Prakash Puram, scaffolder superintendent. Yes, Mr. Prakash, we have requirement for scaffolder, and better you can share your CV or you can call on this given contact number. Our team will definitely guide you. Don't worry. जीरो बिन इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियन. यस, हमारे पास रिक्वायरमेंट है अभी इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियन का. इंटरव्यू भी चल रहा है गोपालगंज में, वाइजैक में. आप एक बार वापस से लाइव सेशन देख लेना. नंबर पे कॉल कर लीजिए या तो फिर आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए. 2 आईडी दिया हुआ है, महेश एंड हेमंत का. और नईम वाइस फ्रॉम एचवीएसी टेक्नीशियन. हमारे पास अभी रिक्वायरमेंट है एचवीएसी टेक्नीशियन का. आप आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए. वही का आपके पास लाइसेंस भी है. सो डेफिनेटली आपको जॉब तो मिलना ही है आज नहीं तो कल. तो आप सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए और हमारी टीम आपका जरूर हेल्प करेगी. ओके, फॉर कैम सीपी प्रोडक्शन टेक्नीशियन. आप आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए सही, क्योंकि मुझे आइडिया नहीं है उसके बारे में रिक्वायरमेंट है कि नहीं. आप सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए, कुछ रहेगा तो डेफिनेटली आपको कॉल आ जाएगा. वारिस एचवीएसी टेक्नीशियन. यस, हमारे पास रिक्वायरमेंट है, आप सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए. थैंक यू मैम.
So I would like to thank Mr. Dinesh for taking us through these sessions very successfully. For those who would like to visit us in person, our Mumbai headquarter address is now on your screen. Along with the address, there is an email address where you can reach out to us and the contact details. Our branches details are Kochi, Chennai. Along with the address, there is a email address and contact details where you can write to the respected branches also. Baroda, Delhi. Vizag, Kolkata. So those who would like to visit us on our website, you can simply scan this QR code and visit our first of all our job portal, which is where you can upload your profiles, as well as candidate who want to visit our website. That is also a similar link. So candidate, if you want to apply for any positions, just visit the apply button on our website located at the top right corner, where you can upload your CV based on our requirement. Thank you all viewers for joining us today. At Seagull, we take a pride in having 80 to 90% of the candidate reaches to us directly without any middle person, and connect with us on our social media pages directly. So remember, we hold these live sessions every Friday at 3 p.m. We also have sessions in regional languages. So stay tuned for more update. Thank you once again and see you all next week.